Lecture on the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, Part 7, Avoiding Frivolous Speech. Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we continue our exploration of the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, focusing on the Buddha's teaching on avoiding frivolous speech. Frivolous speech refers to meaningless, insubstantial chatter. If we can refrain from it, we will achieve 3 certain merits. First, our speech will surely be loved by the wise. Second, we will be able to answer questions truthfully with wisdom. When asked a question, we will naturally be able to respond with genuine, precise answers. Conversely, if we are in the habit of speaking frivolously, our minds become scattered, and it is difficult to show true wisdom. Third, we will achieve the highest prestige among humans and devas. A person who avoids frivolous speech will gain the highest respect and prestige, as their words are free from falsehood, and so their rewards are also without falsehood. If we dedicate these 3 merits to the highest and most perfect enlightenment, then in the future, when we attain Buddhahood, we will receive all the prophecies bestowed by the Tathagata, and they will all be true and not in vain. Therefore, from now on, let us move away from frivolous speech and make our words more valuable. Ultimately, we will walk the bright path to liberation. Thank you all for listening.